Hi everyone, I thought I'd give you a quick update. I've run out of fuel for my steam engine, so a friend of mine gave me this stuff here. I don't know if you can see it. Right, so I used that and it does work with it, so I'm really pleased with this particular thing because it's a lot cheaper for me to use. So what I did is I got this thing which goes that way now for the mammoth stuff, and I bought one of these things, glued it on, super glued it. Seems to be working fine. So let's have a look. I can just show you it working. Now I realised one thing with this stuff, that it doesn't burn for too long, so the steam engine doesn't go on for very long, but it's enough to demonstrate that it works. It's quite good. Highly inflammable stuff, keep it away from everyone, put it out of reach from fires and stuff like that, which is what I'm going to do now. Okay guys, so I'm back now. I'm going to light it, put it in there. What I found, my rubber was burning. I'm just going to hold this there so it doesn't burn my rubber anymore. Give me a second. That is lit. It's pretty hot, and unfortunately we just have to wait for it to start off. It takes a bit of time, so we're back in a minute when it's working. Okay, it's about 5 minutes now and it's about to go. It's trying to go. There you go. You see, it's building up steam. There you have it. Smoking like an engine too. Once the steam is built up, it does go. Like I said, it doesn't go for long. Sorry, put it on the still. There you go. It's a bit rough. It's a bit rough in there. Once the steam builds up, like I said, it goes. But what I like to do is try and, this is going anti-clockwise, looking from that side. I want to make it go the opposite way. So I'm going to try put this on here. Okay guys, welcome back, and I've changed this round to this side. I can't remember if I said it was anti-clockwise or clockwise. If I made a mistake, sorry about that, mate. We'll see which way it goes. It's supposed to go this way now, ideally, I think. We'll see. What I've done is I put a tea light here. I cut it down a bit, so I think if I get the water hotter quicker, it might work longer. We'll see. And it's going the opposite way. So guys, here I go again, and see how long it takes to heat up this time. I don't think it should take as long as it has done, and give myself a head start by putting this on here, in theory. There you go, lit up quickly. Alright, so that is lit. That did light very fast. So this is going anti-clockwise, so before we were going clockwise. There you go, guys. This is with the two of them things. I'm very pleased with that. Well guys, I'm so happy with this. It's working really nicely with the two of them running in there. Thank you for watching anyway. As you can see, it's going longer as well with the two. So all it is matter of having heat in there. I'm recording this a second time. What's the second time? Because I say it's still going on nicely, as you can see. So yeah, it does work. So I found an alternative fuel which is quite cheaper than the other one. Sorry, this touching my hand. Quite hot stuff. It's almost like a steam engine. Look, smoke is coming out of it. It's hot. Sorry. Silly man. Well, I don't know how long it's going to go on for, but I'm going to see it through. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Tell somebody. Whatever you'd like to do, thank you very much. I have thoroughly enjoyed this project. I'm happy with the, I'm sure it's going the opposite way. I'll have to check the video. I thought it would have gone a different way because I've changed that round. But yeah, it is. Going clockwise now. Before we were anti-clockwise. Clockwise. Yeah. Sorry, I'm plugging my left and right nowadays.
Bye.